Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Nadia from English Department second semester of Matlaul Anwar University. So in this video, I'm going to presenting about apologizing and responding. Also, through this video, I will tell you the definition and purpose of apologize, how important to apologize, the consequence if you don't apologize for your mistake, the elements of perfect apologize, how to apologize, how to respond apologize, and also I will show you the example conversation of apologizing and responding. And at the end of the video, I will tell you why should we forgive or accept other people's apologize. The first, I'm going to explain the definition and purpose of apologize. So, what is an apologize? An apologize is an expression of regret or remorse for actions, while apologizing is the act of expressing regret or remorse. In informal situation, it may be called saying sorry, or expressing apologize is an expression that you use to tell someone that you are sorry for having done something that has caused him or her unhappiness. And then, what is the purpose of apologize? The goal of apologizing is generally forgiveness, reconciliation, and restoration of the relationship between the people involved in a dispute. And also apologize show that you respect the other person and care about his or her feelings. The second, I will explain why it is important to apologize. So this is outlines the benefits of an apologize to the receiver and the giver. The first, apologize show that we care about the other person's feelings. The second, by apologizing to another person will make her or she quiet their anger. The third, by apologizing, we validate their feelings and their perception. The fourth, by apologizing and taking responsibility for our actions, we help rid ourselves of esteem, robbing, self-approach, and guilt. The fifth, apologize has the power to humble even the most arrogant. When we develop the courage to admit we are wrong and work past our resistance to apologizing, we develop a deep sense of self-respect. The sixth, apologizing helps us remain emotionally connected to our friends and loved ones. Knowing we have wronged someone may cause us to distance ourselves from the person, but once we have apologizing, we feel freer to be vulnerable and intimate. And the last is there is another little talk about benefits. Since apologizing usually causes us to feel humiliated, it can also act as a deterrent, reminding us to not repeat the act. The third, I will tell you the consequence if you don't apologize for your mistake. So, what happens if you don't apologize for your mistake? Well, you could damage your relationship, harm your reputation, and even limit your career opportunities. After all, no one wants to work with someone who can't take responsibility for their own actions. The fourth, I will give you the strategies or elements of a perfect apologize. The first, say you are sorry, like, I'm really sorry. Not, I'm sorry, but that's not my fault though. Don't like that. The second, own the mistake. It is important to show the other person that you're willing to take responsibility for your action. The third, Describe what happened. The fourth, have a plan. Let the wrong person know how you intend to fix the situation. The fifth, admit you were wrong. The sixth, ask for forgiveness. A little vulnerability goes a long way toward proving that you mean what you say. Then, I will tell you how to show your apologies in formal and non-formal situation. Here are some examples of expressing apologies in formal situation. The first, please forgive me. The second, I'm sorry for the trouble I have caused you. The third, I'm sorry for disturbing you. The fourth, I'm sorry that I made you wait for me. The fifth, I apologize for yesterday. The sixth, please accept my apologies. The seventh, I must apologize for my mistakes. The eighth, it's all my fault. And the last, I beg your pardon, please. And here are some examples of expressing apologies in non-formal situation. The first, oh, my bad. The second, oh, I messed up or I screwed up. The third, please don't be angry at me or please don't be mad at me. The fourth, I didn't mean that. The fifth, please don't take it personally. And the last, sorry, didn't mean to hurt your feeling. And I will give you an important tips, which is no matter in what situation you are, the important thing to expressing your apologies is you are really mean it. Just show that. And here are some examples of respond apologize. The first, that's alright. The second, never mind. The third, it doesn't matter. The fourth, that's okay. The fifth, I quite understand. The sixth, don't worry about it. The seventh, you couldn't help it. And the last, I forgive you. Hi Nad, what's up? Hi Sinta, I'm doing good. How about you? I'm good. What happened to you? You don't look good. Do you remember your book that I borrowed from you last month? Yeah, I remember you borrowed my book, but I forget what kind of book. Yeah, I remember that book, Seni Hidup Minimalism by Francine Day. So maybe that's why I cannot find that book in my cupboard. The first, I want to say sorry. I'm truly sorry. I accidentally spilled coffee on your book, and the color of the paper changed, become brown. Here, okay, let me see. Yeah, the color of the papers changed, become brown, but not all pages. Once again, Sinta, I'm so sorry. I will buy you some book to change your book. That's okay, Nad. I'm totally fine. You don't have to replace it. Actually, this book is pretty old and I'm kinda like this color on my book. Looks more aesthetic, right? Thanks, Sinta. I appreciate your forgiveness. The last, I will tell you why we should forgive others. The act that hurt or offended you might always be with you, but forgiveness can lessen its grip on you and help free you from the control of the person who harmed you. Forgiveness can even lead to feelings of understanding, empathy, and compassion from the one who hurt you. Forgiveness doesn't mean forgetting or excusing the harm done to you or making up with the person who caused the harm. Forgiveness brings a kind of peace that helps you go on with life. Letting off the grudges and bitterness can make way for improved health and peace of mind. Forgiveness can lead to healthier relationship, improved mental health, less anxiety, stress and hostility, lower blood pressure, a stronger immune system, improved heart health, and improved self-esteem. So that's the end of my explanation about expressing, apologizing, and responding. I hope this video will help you to understand about expressing apologize. So thank you. Hadanallah wa yakum ila siratim mustaqim. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.